So we'll press the gear icon under Talk, and that'll open up the Talkback menu. And we have 8 different presets that we can save. So in preset 1, we'll make it the whole band, so we'll select all of their in-ears. And we'll hit save. And then preset 2, let's do just monitor 1 being the MD. Preset 3, we'll have like the lead singer. And preset 4, we'll set as like a backstage monitor. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are all saved already. So you can flip between those to talk to the different people that you need to talk to throughout a service or performance. And to make it easier, we'll go to Setup, UI Settings, and we can add them as function keys. So we'll go down to General and Talkback Preset 1, and we can name that Band. And then Talkback Preset 2, and we can name that MD. Talkback Preset 3 can be lead vocal, and Talkback Preset 4 can be like backstage, so like a backstage manager or somebody backstage that can help move things around or fix things. And now we have those on the left hand side. We also have a talk button here, so you don't have to touch on the top, but we'll get rid of it from the bottom and we'll move it up a little bit just so it's a little easier. So we'll add that talk button. So now when we click them, we are now talking to those individually people once we hit that talk button. So when we click on band, you can see that it is the whole band. It is taking that preset. MD, it's taken the MD preset or preset 2. Lead vocal, preset 3. And backstage, preset 4. So all you have to do then is hold down the talk button and you are talking to those individuals or the entire band. And that's how you set up the Talkback presets and put them on user keys.